Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reprogram your Schlage keypad lock. So first of all, you need to simply locate the lock's 6-digit programming code. Once you have it, you just have to simply enter that particular programming code by using these buttons on the keypad. After entering it correctly, you are going to hear 3 beeps and you will also see the keypad flashing orange, indicating that the lock is now ready for programming. Now here is how you can reprogram it. First of all, in order to add the user code, what you need to do is you need to simply press 1 on the keypad. Afterwards, you just have to start entering your 4-digit user code and then you just have to enter it again for the confirmation. If successful, the lock is going to flash green and it will also beep. That is going to confirm you that the new code has been stored successfully. Now, if you are reprogramming the lock for the security reasons, you can remove any of the old codes that you no longer needed. So this time after entering your programming code, you just have to simply enter 2. Then you just have to simply enter that particular user code which you want to delete, and that too twice. Now the lock will confirm the deletion again after flashing the green light and after the beep. Now for maximum security, you can also update your programming code as well. For that, you need to enter your current programming code. Then you just have to simply press this particular Schlage button. After that, you need to simply press 3 and then you just have to enter your new 6-digit programming code twice. Now this way the lock is going to confirm the change with the green light and it will also give you a long beep. So that's how basically you can reprogram your Schlage keypad lock. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.